Can't wait anymore. I want to see if we can lower the roof. It's a hardtop convertible, and let's see if we can make it a hardtop convertible. First thing, this cable is 300 bucks, 50, some of that, and yeah, not paying that much money. As soon as when it show up, I will show you what's the deal. I couldn't lower everything, that's what I'm thinking. For some reason, I'm trying with the button, nothing's working. My main cable wasn't connected, thinking maybe because of that, but we'll see. We'll plug in. I got a new tool, a new toy to play with, and we'll see if we can work it out. Okay, we have the cable, that plastic thing, I can't figure out how it was. Who needs it? I have electrical tape, so we're gonna wrap it, but not this guy here, because this is making a connection with, I think it's a BMS system. Don't quote me on that. Fixed. Yeah, buddy. Man, someone needs to clean this. It's a mess. Yeah, look at it. Not good. Not good. We got it all taped up. Now one end is gonna go right there, and then the other end connects right here, like I said. Boom. And then the rest of the cables. Let's do it. I don't know where to put it. Okay guys, well, I guess I already lost the nut. Let me look for it. This is getting ridiculous. I really don't know what happened with the nut. The only thing that I think my son was playing around, and yeah, I don't know. You know, it is what it is, and I'm getting impatient, so we're gonna go to the front and eeny meeny miny mo. What about this guy? Seems close enough. Let's see. It's a perfect fit. Boom. Let's do this. Don't worry guys, this is temporary. Okay, we have power. Now, this thing right here, make sure everything is clean here. It says nothing to have here and all of that. You guys gonna watch here and tell me if, you know, something got, you know, if it starts shorting out or something. I don't think so, but you know, you never know. No touching the brake. We don't wanna start the car without a belt. Okay, we're in. This is the magic button right there. See engine, well, it is ignition. You guys can see the magic number. Boom. On the miles, 84. And now, let's see. Going up. Nothing. Going down, red. So now, we're gonna get this little guy plugged in and see what we can do. Okay guys, finally it's done, and it is crazy. Engine, motor electronics, dynamic stability control, airbag, instrument. It is like on and on and on. I mean, but we have a bunch of other ones that they just pass, no fault. The most important one is electronic transmission control. Boom, that's a good one. And the rest of them is probably just from the crash. What we're gonna do a quick release and see what's gonna come back. I mean, quick erase or delete everything. We are down to 4. Engine monitor electronics, airbag advanced crash safety module, instrument cluster, footwell module 2, which this is the airbag here. Okay, please, we don't have anything for the rooftop. Let's see. Roof function center. What was that mean? Outside temperature sensor. That's one of the fault codes for the instrument cluster, which is nothing. But for some reason, I don't get it why it doesn't want to open. I'm thinking that because the roll bars here in the back popped out, I'm thinking because of that, maybe there's some kind of a connection, and that's why this doesn't want to open up, because it knows that these ones are open. This thing right here, I can lift it up and push down, and you can see it moves, but it doesn't want to look. So let me see if I remove the plastic, that's gonna help. Success. Let's do the number 2. Let's try it out. So I'm looking at the dashboard. Shows me restraint, lights, and then the rear seats are not locked. So let's get them locked. Man, this is getting trickier. Let's see if this is gonna move or something. And nothing. Maybe if when I put new airbags and reset the system, maybe then. I don't know. I think we got some progress, guys. Again, I don't know what to do, guys. I'm gonna have to do more research and see how to fix it, because it needs to be fixed. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, because it helps the channel to grow, and it helps me fix this car, because I have no idea what I'm doing, and you guys are witnessing of that. So yeah, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.